Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Garageband and creating a new project. Choose audio recorder or keyboard depending on your source. Record or import the clip you want, and make sure it's shorter than 40 seconds so iOS will accept it as a ringtone. Once done, use the editor to trim the clip's start and end precisely, and add a short 0.5-second fade if you need to remove pops or abrupt cuts. This prevents audible clicks when the ringtone plays. Next, you export and convert the Garageband project into a ringtone format. Tap the share icon and try ringtone. If it's available, name the file and export directly. If ringtone is not offered, export as a song, save the M4A to files, and then rename or convert to M4R. iOS recognizes M4R as a ringtone. Make sure the final file remains under 40 seconds, otherwise, the system will reject it when you try to set it as a tone. Finally, set the new ringtone by opening Settings, then Sounds and Haptics, and choose Ringtone. Your exported tone should appear at the top of the list. If it doesn't show, make sure the file is M4R and under 40 seconds, then restart the iPad and recheck the file's app location. If issues persist, re-export from Garageband as a ringtone or use Finder/iCloud to sync the M4R. This often resolves visibility problems and ensures the system registers the new sound.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.